Hello friends, welcome to DIYs and Crafts with Nosh. Repurposing household items is my favorite kind of DIY. So I have cats in my home and my cats don't make it easy for us to keep blinds. The previous one had snapped at two places thanks to my kittens and we just had to get a new one. Of course you didn't expect me to dump the old ones, did you? Well, no, I didn't dump them. I was just more than happy to get my hands on those blinds. So today I'm sharing 3 ways to use those blinds. This first DIY is super easy. I'm just going to use this Dollar Tree mirror and create a sunburst mirror out of it. I've kept roughly 3 to 4 sizes of these strips. Then I've cut out a square cardboard piece, and first step is that I've adhered the longer ones, the longer strips around the periphery of the mirror, and then I'm going to use these smaller ones. Right now what I'm doing is I'm just kind of getting an idea of where I'd like to place which size, and that's what I'm doing. And then later on I'm going to glue those as well. I'll remove the mirror from there like so, and then I'm just going to glue it. Now gluing these Venetian blinds is a bit challenging because they can be slightly resistant to the heat, and as such you have to kind of hold it onto it. And later on, even when I place the mirror like I've just done, I have placed some hot glue underneath that as well to hold the Venetian blinds in its place. And just like that, it's done. I mean, this project was incredibly easy, and aesthetically you can see it's really pretty. No one could actually say that these come out of the Venetian blinds. So my next DIY, this includes this long arched wood strip, which my son Sawab is cutting up for me at 4 places. So I'm going to have these 4 strips, and I'm using also this table mat. It was very old, but it was sturdy. That's why I didn't want to dump it. Of course I didn't want to dump it. And I'm just going to use these strips, of course, of Venetian blind, and I'm going to hot glue it to these beams or to this support. And I'm going to make myself a lovely basket to house my spray paints, because the support, the base is very strong actually, and that's the good part. So that's the reason it'll be able to hold all my heavy spray paint cans. Yep, I mean, did I say this is super easy? Well, it is super easy. So yeah. Now, friends, if you're visiting me, I mean, this is just a reminder. If you're visiting me for the first time, please consider subscribing to my channel. I mean, it really helps me grow. And press the bell icon. I mean, it notifies you every time I post a new video. And if you like this video, please press the thumbs up icon. And if you enjoyed my DIYs, I mean, please leave a note in the comment section. I mean, I love connecting with my viewers. All my videos are not difficult. They're really, really, really easy, and the best thing is, I'm sure you've already got these things lying in your house. So I mean, couldn't get easier than that, right? So yeah, and this is how it looks. Perfect, isn't it? I just absolutely love it. So I mean, you already know that I have a gazillion photo frames. Most of them are damaged, incomplete, don't have a support, or maybe the ring or something like that they don't have. So I I always keep them. I don't dump any of them. And if I find them at garage sales, I'm always more than happy to collect them as well. So, what I'm doing right now is I wanted a frame which could be layered with shorter frames, or smaller frames, and it would look pretty appealing. So, I'm going to use these, um, and I'm going to actually use two different sizes, the horizontal as well as the vertical ones, and I'm going to weave these. So what I've done is I'm just going to glue on one side of the longer side, and then I'm going to hot glue the shorter side, but only on one side of the frame, not on both sides. And then I'm going to kind of pass it through the weaving thing, I mean, just put it one through the other. And yeah, something similar. Yeah. And right now it's not been woven. It's just, kind of, I'm adjusting where I'd like them to kind of be placed. And here I'm weaving them through each other. Yeah, that way. So now you understand why I was saying that we're just going to glue on one side and keep the other side open. And yeah, that's it. I mean, it might seem like it's I mean, even if you would like to place something in front, you could do so as well. I haven't, because I wanted it to be a layered frame. I haven't done that, and I haven't painted the frame color as well, because I really think that the brown was very pretty. I love the wood grains that are showing through it. So yeah, and if you'd like to probably place a small wreath in front as well, you could do that, or maybe for Valentine's a heart, or I mean, you could use it for various reasons, for various seasons and occasions as well. So yeah, and once I finish the weaving part, then I'm going to now glue the ends, or the other sides, the tips of them. I'm just going to glue that. Yeah, and I hope you enjoyed this video. It's super easy. I hope you give your old Venetian blinds a second life. Thank you for visiting me today. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe icon. Bye bye.